This is a Horseway Kentucky model, brand new installation today, first week of October, at a leading equine hospital in the United Kingdom. And the reason for this video is just to show you what a perfect install looks like when you're not using one of our aluminium frames. The reason there's no aluminium frame inside this pit is because this is an upgrade, having had their original Kentucky for 15 years, and they're having a new one today with the green washable AstroTurf surface. And the first part of this install I want to show you is that distance from the wall, so the horses can come round the corner here and straight onto the weighbridge without having been asked to go close to the wall. So that's a perfect distance of about 4 feet. And then the gap, remember there's no aluminium frame, the gap between the pit wall and the outside of the weighbridge is perfect there, so the dirt and muck can just drop down and it's not touching the walls. It's a gap of 2 centimeters all the way around, a nice flush finish, and that's what we call a perfect installation for a Kentucky model without an aluminium frame, because the pit was obviously made 15 years ago.